Hey guys, back in the creek again today with another jungle perch mission. I'm here with my mate Seth. He's up the creek right now. Can't show you him, but you'll see him in the videos. But yeah, a good session. Got a new PB. It was good fun. Only big fish, which is really amazing. But yeah, awesome creek, awesome waterfalls, awesome everything. Yeah.
Oh, oi! 30?
Close to it.
That's a good one! Oh my god. Dude!
It's not bad.
Great fish!
Give me about 30.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah, can't complain with that. First fish of the day. Just out of that nice pool there. Hit it on the dragonfly. Always get a nice calm release. But yeah, definitely not bad. First fish of the day. Over here.
Getting in some clear water. Oh. I didn't even see where he went.
This doesn't count as my pool, eh?
No. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Wait.
That could be big, that could be big.
Get a look.
Oh.
Oh, yes!
Big?
It's like 33.
Should I flick in there as well?
No, I don't think. Where's my net man? Where, yeah, you could have taken it off me. Fuck, he's decent.
Yeah, he's good, he's great.
Oh shit! Shit! Seth.
I'm gonna get on there. Oh, it's big. That is a 33. No. Oh. That's definitely a 4. It's definitely 34.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
we'll
34.
go on 34.
Oh no, I went black. Yeah, 34. Dude,
Nice
he looks
perch.
massive.
Yeah. We'll just let him go. I'll try not to stand in the water.
Such a glare from the water. He's ready. Let it go, let it go.
Hey, wait there, don't go any further. That is so weird. Oh! See him? See him? See him? Big dog, big, big, big. Close.
Yeah.
It's big. It's pretty good. Oh, see him? See him? Eat it. Pop it, pop it.
Yeah.
No, he spooked, he spooked, he spooked, he spooked. Good? Looks good. Net job or lift job?
Oh! It's a 30?
Watch out on that rock.
Have a think. You reckon 30? Oh,
Oi! Yeah, close, yeah.
he's fucking not that big.
Yeah, let's bring him in. Just bring him to the front of the...
Think he's breaking almost? No.
Nah. He's not that well hooked, so we'll net him.
Get him. You good? Big?
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah.
Fucking flying up. Get close.
I can't see shit. I can't see shit. Just pull him. Bro, I can't see anything.
Back around there.
You're.
Brick me. Oh no, he's not. He's pulling.
Yeah, he bricked you. I had to pull. Fuck, he's good.
He's big. Oi, find me.
Am I recording? Oh, he didn't say that much. Nice perch.
Oh yeah. He's very cool. My Instagram is I need to get
Yeah,
mine
cuss.
though.
You have your own. Fuck. 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 Keep them on.
Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Hold on.
Alright, just give me the call when you want it.
Yeah. Get in there, he's freaking me,
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What?
I thought
he was you, Jay.
Yeah.
I didn't, I said don't freak out, he's not a monster.
I thought you were saying that like just to like so we don't rush it. Are you still great?
Not bad.
That's it.
Yeah, boys.
It was such a bad cast. On. Am I even recording?
What a net job.
Yeah.
yeah, you're recording.
Got the biggest perch for 30, hit it super hard. Bush chucking back in his little hole.
Oh, my bad. Oh, he's ready to go.
He's biting my shirt.
Ah. Oh, splash.
What?
Oh my fucking god.
Monster? It's like 33. Oh, don't let him take you. Has he bricked you?
No.
Yeah, let's walk him back over here. Oh, he's not bad. Oh, voice crack. That was a good net.
Yeah, let's go. Another good one.
Let us see him. Yeah, nice. Like 33, 34.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Beauty.
These fish are really tall, eh?
Yeah. Nah, they're beauties. Oh, I love it when they swim off slow.
That's awesome.
That was good.
What? Oh, go. Little. Oh, maybe not. Really?
He's big.
Decent. Oh, heaps. Heaps. Oh, I'm keeping him in this pool.
Dude, we just spooked him.
No, we didn't. Go, keep on casting.
Oh my god. Josh, don't freak out.
I'm not even gonna. Oh, Seth, I can't do anything.
I'm on, dude. Sorry. You good?
Yeah.
Has he got you?
No, I got it out.
I'm on as well. I'm gonna bring him in because there's so much more.
Yeah. Wait, we're about to get like fucking 4. Just put him in a pool. Fuck.
Go.
Oh.
On?
Off.
Holy fuck! Give me the net,
Get the net off. You gotta get the net off. Okay. Just like we said. Just like. Oh, it's not that big. Get out.
Yep, it's a fucking ball.
What are you? Just get up.
Where is he?
He's over here.
I'm dead in my crotch. I'm here. I'm dead in my crotch. Holy shit!
Let's go. Fuck your crotch.
No. I'm slipping.
Is it a 40 though? It'd be close.
It's a large JP. Oh my god, I'm diving.
Come on, get here. Get here.
It's so large.
Get here.
Oh, Joshy.
Stretch. 39.
Fuck. Stretch.
Stretch. You need pliers? Hold it guys like more. Like no, like up. Can you see the back strap?
Oh my god.